Hello, we're going to look at how two different species of barnacles are competing for the same habitat. So to begin this, first of all, make sure that you have read the background information. Remember that at the bottom is the next arrow or next page. So you can go back and forth between the pages, but this is the background information that will help you understand a little bit more about competition and these two barnacle species. The next, you'll be able to go to a tutorial and be able to look at all of the different features available on this simulation. Now over here, you can read about the two different barnacles and how they're situated on this rock. This represents the water line, so you have low tide versus high tide. You can see over here that you can change different things like the sea level, the tide change, the balanus, which is the orange barnacle, and the thalamus, which is the white. The thais is the snails that are feeding off of the barnacles. So you can see here we've got this information that shows you the different types of barnacles and where they're found on the rock. And of course your values over here. The data will take you to the next page. So you can click on the data, and this tells you the days of the experiment, how many of each type of barnacle are on the rock, and gives you the overall information that you need. You can speed up the time. If you feel like it's going too slow, you can increase the time or you can slow it down. So for example, if I want to go faster, you can see that my rate of change is going much faster. Or I can slow it down and go slower. The number of days is changing. Remember, you can go back from the design page to change these controls, or you can go to the data page to watch your data. So you need to be able to go back and forth between them. Now remember, you can change the number of days and speed it up if you want to go really fast and see what happens, or you can slow it down. You can also pause it to find out. So we're going to go to our day 10. Right here, we see we're on day 5. We want to go a little bit faster. So we're going to wait at day 10. We're going to pause this and see what's happened. All right, we're at day 10. Looking here, we can see we have a lot of this white balanus barnacles right up here. Right along the water line, we see a lot of orange barnacles down here. So the balanus right here is the orange. The thalamus is right here and it's the white. So you be sure to use the key. Now on our graph, we see that after day 10, we have just a little bit more of the white barnacles. And they're mostly located up here. You can see that with our graph. They're mostly above, where the orange barnacles are down here. So in order to avoid competition, they're choosing different spots on the rock. This one does better down lower, and this one does better up higher. Now you can change things up here. For example, let's say I want to change the number of snails. Ooh, look, I'm adding a whole bunch of snails that will feed on it. And then I can start this again and see what happens. So you can see here, I've changed my snails and you can watch what they do. I can also change my sea level and watch what happens. So have fun playing around with this, but I would like for you to look at how changing the different parameters or controls changes the number of each type of barnacle. Hope you have fun. See you later.